What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna see the unboxing of the amazing Adidas Originals Woman Superstar Metal Toe that has the famous shell in metallic gold and also has an amazing look and feel. Looks really fancy. This was a gift for my girlfriend and she really enjoyed it. First of all, because of the look, but it's really elegant and comfortable as well. It's a shoe in leather. It's a famous Superstar sneakers from Adidas from the 1970s and was originally produced for basketball shoe, but in some time becomes a reference in urban fashion. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for other nice unboxing videos. And I'll see you later. All the best!